Hello, good day to you all, and welcome to this section with Eagles Market Investment Limited. We want to show you how our binary bot works, how you can plug into our binary bot, binary EA, and start making money with the bot, even as we speak now, without delay. So before you can use the bot, you need to open a binary account. If you don't have any, if you have any, it's for you to log into your binary account. Like right now, we have already logged into our account. Here is our virtual account. We have $14,616 in this virtual account. So, and I already have the bot that I want to upload now to trade for me in this account. So we'll watch it together and see how the bot performs. So the first thing we do is we have to refresh this page to remove if there any other bot or any other indicator that should be or that is there now. We have to remove it. So I have to upload the new one we want to use. So we'll come here and click load bot. So then go to my computer, and I will upload from my computer. The one I'm going to upload is Binary Master Multi-Gay bot. So from the name, it means this bot is a multi-gay bot, which implies that when you place the first trade, if you don't go to its direction, the second trade will be placed with a higher volume. If it doesn't go to its direction as well, the third place will be placed with another higher volume until they cover the losses with a profit and make a profit before it returns to initial lot size. So let's see how this bot work. We are going to be trading synthetic index, which is a continuous index, volatility 10 for those people who understand volatility. We're going to be trading on up and down, rise and fall. We're going to be buying and selling depending on the looking at our interval. Time duration is going to be 5 ticks, which could be equivalent to 5 seconds. So our trade is going to be lasting for 5 seconds or so, and within that period we are expected to make taking 0.05 is because of the risk involved in forex market. So it's better you start small, so that when they will be having some series of losses, so it will be able, our account will be sustained before the profit is made and the a lot returns to initial loss size. So we are going to be starting with this. So you can actually trade this boat as little as $100, 500 to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000, as the case may be. And I'll show you using this boat you can make 5 to 15% return on a daily basis. Maybe you have you define a trading interval. You can trade the money between 8 and 10. You relax and trade again between 12 and 2. Relax, trade again between 4 to 6. Then before you go to bed, you trade between 8 and 10. You go to bed for the money. You can trade like that. And on these 2 hours trading, you could make 5 to 10% on every section you trade. Meaning you could even make up to 40% in a day. So now let's see how the boat trade. So we're going to now plug the boat. You come here and say run the boat. So meaning you are telling the boat to start trading. So you click on it, and let's say, so it's looking for an opportunity to place the first trade. So whatever trade is going to be taken will be shown here. We will see it all. The one that is going to be lost and the one that is going to be gained, we'll all see it together. Now the first trade is taken, and that is a set trade. So we're going to look, watch and see if it's going to end in profit. Okay, yes, the first trade we made a profit of 31 cents. We'll take a second trade, also a sell within 5 seconds. We are already done with that. Okay, we have made another profit of 31 cents, making 62 cents in 2 trades, 2 win, no loss. Each trade is taking a buy. We lost the third trade, Now the fourth trade will be taken with a higher volume of 0.75 or 77 years. Take note of it. The last trade was lost, so the next trade will be increasing in volume. So if this one loses as well, the next one will be having the higher volume as well. Good. So that is also lost. So the next trade is going to be taken with 1.6 or 1.5 as the case may be. So let's watch and see. It's looking for an opportunity to take the next trade. 2 loss, 2 win, minus 0.50 cents. We were losing 50 cents already. Let's see if the third trade can recover the losses and put us in profit. We are waiting for this fourth trade. Looking for an opportunity because the conditions are not met yet for trade to be taken. So as soon as those conditions spelled out on the boat is met, the fourth trade will be taken. Good. 1.69 fifth trade taken. Let's see if we will succeed on this. We will make this. Good. This was a profit, and now we're having a profit of $1.11, $1.11 in 5 trade, 3 win, 2 losses. So again, to see the 6th trade. So this is how this boat trade. So at the end of the day, the section will end in profit. The section you are trading will end in profit. So this boat is programmed to make you real money trading the binary market. This is one of our boats. We have several boats programmed for the binary market. So and that trade is taken now. Let's see if this will go to our favor. We also lost this. So and that trade is taken with a higher volume. Let's see if it will go to our favor. 3 win, 3 losses, plus 76 cents. Plus 0.76 cents rather. 1. We're having the 149 as our total profit now. Look at it here, 1.49 as our total profit in about 8 trade. Good. And that trade is 1.80. So we have taken about 8 trades, 1.5 and lost 3. So that is how the EA trades. Some trade will end in a loss, some will be won. So but the beauty of this EA is that at the end of the day, even when you are losing more trade than you are winning, the little you have won, for example, you are losing 8 trade and gaining 5, the 5 will still put you in profit. That is the beauty of this EA. So that is how it is programmed. So it doesn't matter the number of trade you won or you lost, but what matters is the one you are losing, how much do you lose, and the one you are gaining, how much do you gain. So from this EA, our gain is always more than our losses. So because of the fact that it's a multi-gain EA, we're having 3 consecutive wins. So we have 2.11 now already as our profit within just 4 minutes of trade. We have gotten that. That was a loss. And that trade is taken. We also lost that. And that one is taken. Waiting to see if it will put us in profit. Lost that. And that trade is taken with a higher volume. You can see from 0.33, 0.7, 1.69, 3.73. So this one, if it gets, it covered the losses of this trade and put us in profit. Let's say it will go good. You can see we are now gaining 2.85. Remember it was 2.11 before we encountered these losses. So we're now having 2.85. So the lot has returned to its initial value. So that is how this EA trades. That is one. So I want to encourage every one of us who want to make extra money no matter how busy your schedule is, this EA can work for you in the binary market, and you make extra income doing absolutely nothing. All you need is our binary master Matige EA, and you start making money. And for those of us also trading in the real forex market, we also have some EA that can aid your trading performance, that could put you in profits on a monthly basis. So I encourage you to do business with us at the Eagles Market Investment Limited. We're into EA production and mentorship, then fund management and training. So you do business with us, and your trading career will be fine-tuned for the better. Thanks for watching, and do have a lovely day.